Hello guys, welcome to my Lazy Commissions Honest Review. As you can see, this is the logo of Lazy Commission. So what is Lazy Commissions? Let's see an overview of this product. So the product name is Lazy Commissions. Its first release was on October 25, 2021, which gets constantly updated. So it is an evergreen product, and the creator is Tim Eccles. You can learn more at obdu.com. The type of this product is a proven affiliate marketing training course with one goal: getting to $100 per day consistently with simple but effective affiliate marketing and organic traffic. Currently, the price of this product is $0, 100% free, and this is a special pre-launch offer. So if I were you, get this opportunity. So my personal rating for this product is 4.8 out of 5. So with that, I highly recommend this product, and absolutely no brainer. So let's see what's inside Lazy Commission. So as you can see in the left side, this is the members area. If you will avail the Lazy Commission's training course, and you can see here that you can learn tons of knowledge and skills on email marketing, traffic generation, and the list goes on and on. Keep in mind that all of these are for free for now, so you better start moving, and you will instantly gain access to this modules training upon availing the free version of Lazy Commissions. No hidden prices there, so it really sounds good, right? And what are the upgrades inside Lazy Commissions? So first we have a Rapid Implementation Kit, or also known as RAK, which is at $7 for now. If you want to learn more knowledge and skills so that you can start right away, then the first upgrade, which is Rapid Implementation Kit, or RIK, it's a no-brainer for you. This is a done for you training, which contains done for you pages, where you can promote your affiliate offers, and of course this will fasten your improvement in affiliate marketing business. Second one is Secret Affiliate Insider, which is at $27 for now. A Secret Affiliate Insider is an exclusive private Discord server, which is a community of business-minded affiliates and online entrepreneurs. This is where you can share your thoughts on things, and you can ask the owner himself, where he can advise and give tips on how you can promote your affiliate products, and of course gain more knowledge on affiliate marketing and convert it into sales. So that's our main goal here, to of course get more money online. And the third one is License Right, which is at $47, and the Special License Rights, which is at $97. These upgrades are one-time purchase only. And the big difference of the license rights and the special license rights is that when you avail LR, you will get 100% commission throughout the entire funnel when you promote Lazy Commissions. While if you avail the SLR, not only you get 100% commissions, but also you gain access to your client's data. So what is my personal take on this training course? I want to say that I admire Lazy Commissions for helping people to get started and learn how to build their own online business through affiliate marketing. And for that reason alone, I think you should get on board while it's still free. And when it comes to the upgrades, I would say that upgrade number one, which is RIK, is a completely no-brainer, especially upgrade number two, Secret Affiliate Insider, is what moved my business forward in a big way. So I hope you enjoyed that review, and I'll drop the link below for my website where you can read this review. And if you want more updates, then check the link below. Bye bye.